Just wait, man. God have a fucking plan for you, yeah. You see all the wickedness we not do to other people out there. Just remember, say, God have a fucking plan for Uno. And remember, say, we don't have fucking pitney too. Remember, say, we don't have pitney too out there, yeah? Remember, we don't have pitney out there. Remember, we don't have parents and brother and sister. You see me? Remember, say, we don't have parents out there and you were the family life a laugh because suck out the deepest part of your mother pussy hole and come off from like big pussy woman. You come off with your bum buck like life. Some man are wicked and evil. Come off from a bum buck like life and go out when I go. When I saw set a pussy, I don't know help destroy the people. Every day them come out and them a cry out. She's fucking dead, you know. What the fuck we not gonna do now? And now we not gonna care when she dead. Now that she fucking dead, what we not gonna do now? She dead, you know. What we not gonna do now? She fucking dead now, what we not gonna do? Bro, listen up. Listen good. Bro, she fight. Bro, she fight the fuck. And the fact that one look a baby girl off because live her life and know say not even know her mother. It fuck up. But me I tell her say yo, you see people them. You see people them with every single day when they get up and they bring down people. And they try to destroy other people's life. Based on the work what them a put in and I try to achieve something. Just remember say God not sleep. I just that me I tell you no. Remember say God not sleep. Yeah? Him not sleep. I remember say most of you out here have pitney. You have pitney. I don't have mother, I don't have sister, I don't have brother. Just remember. Say see wickedness you want to do to somebody else pitney. Just know say you not go rest. Because God have a beating for good now. God have a beating for good now. Yeah? Just remember. You say now that she gone, I go see what the fuck you not go do now, what you not go say now. I go say what you not go do, what you not go say if you not go continue to bash the man. The man been a get fight, brother. You don't even know. Because the youth now come tell you, brother, the man a get fight. Every fucking angle you. Every angle the man a get fight. And when the man come by and tell you, say, yo, he want help, we do this and do that. When you see a man sit down in a comment section and deal with the man, fuck up. Fuck up when you deal with the man. When most of you stand up with the fucking youth. When most of you did it, every day I preach to them, I beg them, I say, yo, when you just pray, every day. Every day me I beg you to just pray for the people. If you can't help them, you don't need to go live, brother, and disrespect them. You don't need to go live and talk the most about them, brother. She should drop out there now. What the fuck you not gonna say now? You know, man, feel fuck up now, brother. Brother, same place. Yes, it. Brother, yo. Every day you get up. This not real. That not real. This not real. That not real. This a fucking center man, so we live, brother. We know. We fucking know because we live here. We know we see things with the eye. We know we see things with the eye when people tell us say that go on. When you stop going like we know better and this and better and that. Because we've been telling us say spiritual warfare go on and we're not going to have fucking sense. You know what time the man that driving fucking car and the brake freeze up on the man and the man have youth in a car. Every fucking thing in the man house a mash up, turn upside down. Everything in there. And because the man now want to come talk and tell him how him feel, brother, because the man knows that deep within himself, if him tell him how him feel, I want to see him and I go in the comment section and say a lie him tell and I bash him. So the man can't come say this I'm team and that I'm team and the man upon him face a crawl. One day the man upon him face a crawl, literally a crawl, the man a crawl upon him face. I'm having 30 man say, brother, hold up here, turn on your life, talk to your people and brother. I see that now. I eat that. Yo, man, tell you one of the worst thing ever is to see you door there, you cry out for help. That's one of the worst thing ever. You cry for help, you fuck. And they rather look upon you, go down your drain. They rather sit down and have this to say and that to say that look upon you and say, look, you know, you really need the support or you really need the help. They rather sit down and do that. But me tell you no man, you see people them. Remember me tell you say God not like wicked. And God sit high and God sit low. And who know Neisha brother know say Neisha one of your humblest somebody you can ever talk to. One of your humblest person you can ever sit down and talk to. Humbly and never you not even know you. But you not even know you. It just fuck up you. And the worst thing to bumbo clot if you write R.I.P. on some of the picture where you know youth. People you know where you cry out for help you fuck. People you know I cry for help. People you know every day when you get up with this bag of bumbo clot fuck you got talk about say oh much you just a baby so this a cause it a night cold and this and that and the people cause it a night cold and this and that and the people cause it a night cold and this and that and the people cause it a night cold and this and that and the people say oh that take place with it.
don't know how people so stupid and people so fool and people for likes and views. Them will do anything for likes and views. People, I'm telling us straight. I mean, I'll be honest with you. You know so long Neisha hold on? You know so long Neisha hold on? The day when they make the internet try turn against Owie, is that the Neisha produce a giveaway. Them not even know what them are deal with. So some serious spiritual warfare them are deal with. That's why me can't like Kasha. That's why me can't like Kasha. Cause me don't know if them sit down and them not say every time them bring Neisha business on the internet, the girl get worse. Every time them come over here with the business or Neisha, the first time Neisha take down Sika when Neisha bring her picnic on the internet. The first time she take down Sika when she bring her picnic on the internet. And the people them now see say every single time them bring the girl issue on the internet, it makes you go down worse and worse. Cause them not see say them a deal with spiritual warfare. Them not see say the blood clad spirit where them said pa Neisha, anytime the world turn against Owie, Neisha go dead. How the only reason that them did have to get kill blood clot Neisha and get rid of Neisha. Because them did think Neisha and Neisha family do it to her, you know. Them think Neisha and Owie make the world. Them think Neisha and Owie make the world. Them did want to mash up Neisha and Owie. And everything drop on Neisha instead of Owie. Because Owie have a stronger spirit than Neisha. And the only reason why that Owie standing and Owie in a blood clot dead. Because the science was both Owie and blood clot Neisha. Not even Neisha like Owie. But Owie have a stronger spirit. So them couldn't defeat Owie. That's why them block him out. I don't want him there on her because them know what them do. And them know say everything was so Owie to blood clot, but Owie spirit strong. Owie have family where protect him. Owie have ancestors where cover him. Owie blessed and highly favored by the anointed. And when Kasha come and the boy, the 5 flat boy come and them turn the world and try turn the world against Owie and try for the internet hate Owie. That was the breaking point for Neisha and that killed Neisha. And that kill blood clot Neisha. And that kill Neisha. Neisha, I never have a choice for no one see Owie because Neisha under spiritual attack. But she can't do nothing, she can't say nothing, but she know up in here, so she know where at more. Her spiritual attack. And the moment them come and them turn the world against Owie, that kill Neisha. When them try convince the world, say, Owie no mean Neisha no good, that was a breaking point because she a hold on how long. She a hold on and she a wait. And them no know so wanna come over here and do. It might be for gather crowd for Uno and get kinds, but it can damage people. Uno no know the buckle them where them a go through. Kasha, you know spiritual. Your mama was one of the biggest Obeah worker in West Kingston. Kasha, your mama used to tie her head with red and wear red blood clot gown. You're not spiritual. You don't have nothing godly about you. A 69 and 61 spirit to no jump. And all you come blood clot do a trigger the war red. And blood clot and you know say every time you no come back over here with it to not kill the blood clot local girl. Everything gonna jump on and try use it for make money. All the blood clot sick. And you know say every time you come back on the internet with the little girl business, the blood clot and the more she a dead, and the more like the weaker she a get, the little strength when she have a fight to not take it from her. Wanna make she give up. Wanna make she give up. The internet are where them say bill her, so them try use the internet for break she and her man. Spiritual warfare. And you no feed into it. When you don't help the blood clot man off of the ear and give him the strength off of the ear and say, you can't stand in this gap here. If you're not so interested, find him. If you're not so interested, find him. Find him with the right people, them. Get the right connections. Find him. And you know go jump and chant pan the witch and the warlock. Because the Bible say when you can't pray, because sometimes you're in a certain situation, you don't have no strength, you're weary, you have to ask, you have to call up on the head of the church, you have to call up on your church sister, your church brother. Nothing come over here with show. Nothing come over here with drama. Nothing come over here with the shenanigans just to get look of views and likes. I don't know, say day by day you not kill the blood clot look of girl. She have a fighting spirit, but she have to fight for how long? She under spiritual attack. Certain things you don't know if you leave. Certain things you don't know if you leave alone. And make the right authorities them fight it. Who don't want to fight sick work and no doctor? Who don't want to fight spiritual battle and no anointed? Who don't want to fight spiritual battle and no anointed? Who don't want to fight sick work and no doctor? Leave it to the specialists. Who don't understand, and that we don't know. Who don't think everything is views and blood clot like Tasha, me not like you. Tasha, you help trigger the blood clot war already. Look how strong when Neisha have you make she lose it cause you come over here. Start a judgment pan her man. And she might could do nothing physically, but she's aware. Cause she are here. And it don't make she give up.
I see you no comment them man, I see it. So no same to this morning as me get the call.
Who don't make she give up?
This man when me get the call, me see everybody in the comment
because
section.
she never have nobody a fight with her
why Kitty a call me? No want Kitty call me.
All who know how to do a talk.
Kitty not call me none at all, so all of a sudden she want call me. Me no want she call me. You want know people business, focus on your phone business. Me no want nobody call me.
Leave spiritual work to the physician. Only no doctor, no one do doctor work. Only no spiritual man, and no one do anointed work. Who no be? Tasha, Owie, your mama used to work. Your mama know one as the biggest Owie worker in West Kingston. We wrap up. Nobody don't know you're spiritual. Oh, naive. The more you come on the internet with the girl business, and the sister, the worse she get. And don't even leave it to the right
Me a
help.
call him and
Who
look
don't
me
come
not
every
get
day and
him
don't
because him
feed
phone
into
lock
it.
off.
Forget look of views and get look of blood clot likes. I don't
Me
know
not get
say
him.
the work at hand is bigger than blood clot, oh no. And it need bigger physician. I don't know if step aside and make the right authorities angle it.
Nah get him. Nah get him phone and then again me a call it straight and me nah get it. So me don't know if the phone lock off or what the phone but nah get the phone. From him reach down there and him tell me say a true. Me couldn't believe neither so it just get fucked brother. It just fuck up. I swear. It just fuck up. And
The
when they ready
science
there,
was to mash up Owie and blood clot Neisha, but Owie faith stronger. And Owie did initially for him faith no stronger. Time have stronger faith than Neisha. Him is a believer more than Neisha. And that's why it couldn't mash him up. Look how much blood
no, me
clot
go
years
down
ago.
there, man.
Look how long the people them over here live happily blood clot ever after.
Me go down there, man. I drive me away from man. No worry, it. Me go down there. Now I for my friend, man.
The science
Remember say
couldn't
what
catch
the
him kind faith
place, man.
stronger.
Me and Raja. Me and Raja them and Lando them go down there, you know. And when we go down there, them still come bash you and say how much of views they go down there for. We, Raja, Daima, and the whole of we go down there just to support the youth
Me
and
dep
them
on the
come bash
internet
you.
one day, yeah. I want me dep on the internet. One woman come up in my box. And when the woman come up in my box, and the woman say, Roger, Neisha, when we could talk about Neisha, me have something to tell her. Me tell her, say, lady, me know want ear. Because me know what it do to Neisha. Every time the girl business come on the internet, she get weaker and weaker. When Neisha take down sick of the day when she reveal her baby to the blood clot internet. And them start drag her picnic. It break her. It break her, and when it break her, it allow any demons and any spirit to linger because she drop her guard. Her anointed was down. And the attacker could attack. Them have strong faith, but yes, so we build them. Them set it feet break them. So every time the business come over here, she get weaker, weaker. The look of strength where she have a wall on, it slip away. But mum is the word and parapinta is the game. Anumaroka imoka. You can't hide from God, but you can't hide from man. You can't hide from man, but you can't hide from God, I should say, sorry. You can't hide from man, but you can't hide from God. When the sound is so spiritual and you see the situation them but two on heartless and two on want views and two on want likes. When you come over here every day and you don't even make the girl rest and you don't get the right blood clot after the right specialist them for go look for Neisha or get the law or get somebody for make somebody intervene. Nothing you never do but blood clot chat. Is how much Owie can do. Remember him have the baby. Him have to travel to and fro with a car will look like all the science step on the car. Can if drive him drive the car, something else happen. It come like them walk on all the blood clot car. Every drive him drive the car, something happen. The car can't take him from point A to point blood clot B. And you know go on. You know look on how tiring it is. You know look on how stressful or painful it is. If you see somebody where you love and somebody where you sit down with it in this position here and you can't do nothing to help them. You can't do nothing to help them. You don't know the depressing state. If the youth turn on him live, you say money him a look. I beg this. If him talk, you say this and that. You force the youth in a corner. You are evil. You are evil. Everything you take up. Like on his judge, jury, and blood clot executioner. All when you in on the blood clot jurisdiction. Who know why in a theater do surgery and no doctor? Who know why in a church for the altar deliver people and no save? Me can't deliver nobody because me not save. Me have to deliver myself first and ask God forgiveness for all my sins. So Kasha, you couldn't deliver Neisha. You're not covered under the spiritual realm, so. So when you run with your Bible left, right, and center, it out of your jurisdiction. You're not so spiritual. Your mama was a hobby walker. I jump and crack coconut and cream soda. You can't want to take on certain work. And you're not safe. You're not feel. You're still in the world. That's why me couldn't take on certain work. Because I'm still in the world. But them come over here and play. Them a play a picture like say them spiritual. And a picture like say them this is a wicked. A force Neisha. Take the little drive where Neisha did have. Take the little strength where the girl did have a wall on pan the thin thread. Kasha, you have to feel. You have to save. You can't in the world for take on certain work. Because when you talk about spiritual attack, if you don't know what you do, everything drop down upon you. The whole of everything where them set fall upon you. And you the whole of the destruction take. So you have to arm up. You have to have on the breastplate of salvation. You have to guard up. You have to cover from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. Under the realm of the spirit. For take on certain battle. You know you could take on certain battle. Only thing gonna come do, I provoke and blood clot irritate and make the look of strength where the girl did have she give up. Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry. Me hungry. Wanna take the look of strength from the girl and just for just for the likes of money and just for views and just for blood clot things of the world. If Neisha could have stand up on her foot, she'd have stand up. She never have the strength. And the Bible tell us, say, when you can't pray for yourself because you're weary or you're down, call upon the head of the church. Kasha not the head of the church. Me are not the head of the church. You are not the head of the church. Who need come like little insect when it plant for suck out the little life and the little blood. Who need come like some little silver ticks come and play some role and some act and drain the blood clot little girl lifeless. The only reason why Owie never want to come talk certain things because I know Neisha not like it. Him know Neisha no want it. That's why him did a hold back so. Because him know say that did a keep her. And anytime you no start with it, she a gone dead. And you no make the little girl dead. Because instead of no coming out the numbers and stand up in the gap and in the midst and get the right authorities who much are under the live have the links and the connections for make how we can visit her. Doctor probably under ya, lawyer probably under ya, we have police probably under ya. We have the right authorities. We could have see what the family I do to her and make them step in and make she get help. So Owie could have do what him do and bring her where she for go. All you need one do a come over here, come bicker every day. And come over here, come paint a picture like how we wicked and how we no love Neisha and how we this and how we that. Una evil. Una see how loving the two people them did live. Una did see how together they was. Una see how them did inseparable. And let me tell you something, when people inseparable, people not like that. All your own family with grudge you. All your own family with no like how you live and go to the ends of the earth for try stop it. And the wicked family, they think Neisha how we make billions over TikTok. And them never like that. Them no like Owie from him younger, from him and Neisha. Them no like them from them younger. Them never want Owie for them daughter. Them never want Owie for them niece. Them never want Owie for them cousin. Them never want Owie be a part of them family. But them did inseparable. And them tell themselves that by any means we have to get rid of Owie. But Owie's faith was so strong. And Owie's will was so willing. Them could have said nothing for Owie. It could have catch him. Because him have angels when camp around him. And what happened? Neisha wasn't so strong. Neisha wasn't so strong. She never have the faith like Owie. Owie was the strong one.
Yeah, hear me, bro?
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump out and so just dating. I say me can reach down there and go link it. Because I call him, still not get no answer, so
What do
jump
you
out.
think?